Our first stop on this trip is my favorite beach in the North Shore of São Paulo. It's called Pauba. It's right next to Marizias, which is a more popular beach. And in between these places, there's a amazing waterfall that's just a 35-minute hike for you to get there, and it's such a magical place. It's honestly one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to ever. It's amazing. If you have the chance to go, make sure to pay the waterfall a visit. I'm so tired. That's crazy. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that little beach segment. That was so much fun. I just got back from the beach today and I'm already packing again because tomorrow we're going to Recife. I've never been. Currently finishing packing my bag. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. I'm in a rush because I need to get my nails done because they look horrible. So I got a last minute appointment and I'm gonna go get them done literally right now. So I am really happy that I could put everything in the bag and I just need to close it up. This is our ride. So fun. Our friends came to us. Yay!
Uma pousada é uma pousada, mas é uma pousada de estrutura maior. Entendi. Então, ou seja,
We're staying at Olinda for one day before our next destination, This city is one of the oldest cities in Brazil, and it was so nice to get to check out the different architecture because it's very different from the rest of the country that I've been to. So it was very fun. It's a very colorful place, and it's also very hot. I like to collect fans from my trips. This is a tradition I started in Paris, and I found this guy who wrote my name, and he wrote Olinda on the fan, so that was a very fun souvenir. And yeah, this was just a very fun day in Olinda. We took lots of like late night trips to see the city on our friend's combi, and the city was just after Carnaval, so the decorations were still up, and this is the hotel we stayed. Hey guys, I just woke up. Today's Saturday, and I took a walk towards the beach. We're staying at this bungalow in like this bungalow village, and it's pretty cool. If you walk straight that way, you're going to end up at the beach. I think you can kind of see the ocean. Maybe. But yeah, this is a beautiful place. It just looks like you're in the middle of the jungle. And there's all of these houses. And it's a village of houses like these. It's super cute. And today we are going to a wedding. I have never been to a wedding at the beach. I think it's gonna be beautiful, and I'm just very excited to get dressed up and like do my makeup, do something to my hair. I think that's gonna be really fun. And I made some breakfast and coffee, so I'm gonna have something to eat now. I'm literally still in pajamas. Like, I went to see the ocean in my PJs. We left Olinda yesterday in the afternoon, and it was a 2-hour 20 minutes drive to Carneiros, which is where we are right now. My first time here. I had never been, and it's so peaceful, but it's also very hot. It's very hot. Yesterday in Olinda, before we got here, I took like a 5-minute walk, and it was like lots of hills. And it was so hot, so hot, so hot. I thought I was going to like pass out. The heat is no joke. No joke. And the mosquitoes, there's so many mosquitoes and they're trying to kill me. Guys, this is the church where the wedding was. But now the wedding is over there. Right?
And we're over here.
And we're walking back. Barefoot.
Yeah, we came barefoot because, well, we first came in shoes and we realized it was a bad idea.
And then we went back and left the shoes.
And then came back barefoot.
And then we had to cross the ocean to get over there.
Yeah, there was a guy on a kayak. He helped us get across.
No, we're kidding. But the sea was like literally where we are right now. So that was an adventure. But now we're leaving the wedding.
Going back to our bungalow.